it. Blessed from the day that my mouth starts speaking. Praying for the day God's word starts reaching the youth of the world that I'm trying to keep teaching. Me and him had a meeting, he ordained these lyrics. Drunk in his love, high up in the spirit. So now when he's speaking to the earth, I can hear it. And now when he's speaking through my works, he can steer it. Check from the king, I ain't even gotta clear it. He mailed it from heaven, I'm just trying to get near it. All faith stand strong, no troubles, no fearing. It don't last long, see that's what I keep hearing. He changed my appearance, made a broken man new. Been burned by the cross, got a new tattoo. Sure as 1 + 1 always equals 2. I'm a living testimony, he can do this
every
for you.
Day and night.
Loves me, this I know. He keeps me everywhere I go. Lord, you are the greatest. No one can compare to the love that you have.